A very good morning to all of you.
Giki alikio kiuma kiambiriria gia guthikiriria cira uria uratetia maumirira ma kura cia upresident maria manirirwo ni muikaririgite wa kamiti ya IEBC Wafula Chebukati, majaji mugwanja a igoti ikaru hamwe na mawakiri aria makuruhanitio ciira-ini uyu nimekinyirie igoti-ini umuthi. Na haha mucirithania munene Martha Koome atamburukia mawatho na mitaratara iria ikuhuthika ciira-ini uyu uria uguthikiririo kuma muthenya wa rucio nginya muthenya wa gatano kiumia giki. Mwena wa Raila Odinga na William Ruto metekeretio mawakiri mana o mwena na makamishna kamiti ya IEBC metekerio mawakiri omwe o mundu. Koome agitariria uria mawakiri mekugairwo mathaa magutengemania macira mao.
Unfortunately, due to constrained space that we from, we could not accommodate very many people. You can also we are all required to observe COVID-19 protocols. We also have to be mindful of security and the constrained time, and therefore we were forced to limit the number of the council who can appear at any given time.
Mahoya 25 nimo matengemanitio ciira-ini uyu. Martha Koome agikinyaniirie maundu kenda nimo mekurongorerio gutuithanio. Ari ni hamwe na kiuria gikonainie na wihokeku na waragania wa mitambo iria yahuthirirwo ni IEBC gutafania githurano, kana mitambo ni yathogirwo form 34A igitumwo, kana ni kwari na ngurani wa form 34A iria cikirio mitambo-ini na iria ciatwarirwo ceceni-ini nene ya utari wa kura ya Bomas, kana hihi guterio kwa ithurano imwe iria iratafanirio muthenya wa ira ni watumire Raila orwo ni kura, na kana ni kwari na ngurani kura-ini cia giturwa kia president na iturwa icio ingi.
The technology deployed by IEBC for the conduct of the 2022 general elections met the standards of integrity, verifiability, security, and transparency to guarantee accurate and verifiable results.
Uhoro konainie na kana hihi kamiti ya IEBC ni yarumirire watho na mitaratara ikianirira maumirira no ndugukorwo ugituithanio. Kiuria gia kana president muthure William Ruto ni akinyirie gicunje kia 50 na kura imwe, kana hihi kwina mahitia meyumiririe magiatumire maumirira macenjie na muthia matua maria igoti rigikinyaniria.
Whether the IEBC carried out the verification, tallying and declaration of results in accordance with the provisions of Article 138(3)(c) and 138(10) of the Constitution. Issue number 7, whether the declared president-elect attained 50% plus 1 vote of the votes cast in accordance with Article 138(4) of the Constitution.
Thutha wa guthikiriria cira uyu kwa ihinda ria thiku 3 ciukite, majaji mugwanja igoti ikaru ni meregereirwo gukinyaniria itua ria muthia muthenya wa mwambiririo kiumia giukite. Giribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shige.
And the third response.